time of the show, Alex, where we sort of set people up for what could potentially move the market over the next 24 hours. And we're going to start with economic data here in the U.S., including an update on first quarter GDP.
Yeah, I'm not that excited. I got to be honest with you. I'm more the PCE gal on Friday. That's going to be kind of interesting.
All right. Well, we do get those quarterly numbers tomorrow here. The revisions are likely to be to the downside, down to about 1.3% based on the Bloomberg survey. That would be down from 1.6% on that first reading. We do get those quarterly PCE numbers, though, of course, that will be completely overshadowed by the monthly PCE data that comes out at the end of the week. In addition to some of the economic data, which also we should point out includes the weekly jobless claims, we are going to get, wait for it, Alex,
I'm excited.
More Fedspeak.
But then we get the blackout, as Carol Master was talking about for so long. I think this is the last day. These are the last two, and then we can move on. Yeah, we're going to hear from John Williams, who's speaking at the Economic Club of New York tomorrow. We're also going to hear from Lori Logan, which could be interesting. She's doing a moderated Q&A. And then I think that might be it, which is only 2 Fed members, which is like down from like the 27 that we had like on a day-to-day basis over the past couple of weeks or so. Not quite sure if that's going to move the market, but what could move the market are some of the big earnings that we are going to get tomorrow, and it's a lot of folks in the retail space. Let's start before the bell, Alex, and we do get Dollar General and a couple other companies. Yeah, I'm actually quite excited about this. So Dollar General, the stock has not been performing well, and there are expectations that maybe their same-store sales will be better because consumers are strapped for cash. Kohl's opposite story. Maybe the same-store sales will be unchanged because they could miss consensus estimates as February and April declines were pretty severe versus others. Also, Dell, after the bell, that will be really interesting as well. Marvell, nice technology company to look at. Ulta, invest in your face. I keep telling you that. And Nordstrom. So we'll get a lot of good indicators on the consumer.
All right, please join us tomorrow right here on The Close. But stick around. Balance of Power is coming up next. This is Bloomberg.